Smell good music.
Yeah, it's a Rwanda Kenya connect. It's Monday again with my dog man Mali. PETRA, you already know with my main man.
You deserve to be my wife. My body to your body tonight. I'm gonna feel you everywhere.
Nsarure nuko twabudutumbwe hamwe nawe mpora ndi kunyunya ubuki ngashima Imana ko yanyihereye ituti.
You deserve to be my wife.
Uyu munsi ndaguha icyo ushaka cyose utembereze muri ghetto yanjye yose ukuri ya sukari itanginshira mu kanwa.
No matter what, you will be my wife.
Gusa icyo ashaka ntajya atora icyo abonye naguhisemo mu bandi bari benshi kuko ari wowe wuzuza umutima wanjye.
You deserve to be my wife. My body to your body tonight. I'm gonna feel you everywhere, everywhere. You deserve to be my wife. Even if I'm a stranger, I will love you like ninja. My mood will lick you too bad. My body to your body tonight. I'm gonna feel your body tonight. I'm gonna kiss your lips tonight.
Now what I want is for me and you. I told him what I want is you, so what you say? He's like nothing. I'm like, what you mean nothing? I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. He's like, haha, what? I'm like, nothing, sorry, I've been checking you out, and I want you as my baby, and me as your lady. When we out together, we would affect the weather, cause you're hot and I'm hot and we hottest together. Ngozi laini kabisa, misitaji mkorogo. Wino tujane Rwanda, Kenya, Morogoro. Kweli walosema mbananga chake hana kondo. Forget about all the girls, all them know they can't test. You should be home with me, I ain't one of them other hot mess. PETRA, man, there ain't nobody better.
You deserve to be my wife. My body to your body tonight.